Hello, good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel, Astro Kannadiga English. Okay, friends, let us come to know about this palm. Yes, friends, I am very much glad that this is one of the hand which is from the USA. That is, this person is very much generous and he told me to read his palm, and of course he paid me as well. Thank you very much for that. And this is I would like to tell you each and everything in a very clear manner. Why? Because this person is very generous and very honest and very good, and even I chat with him. Let me see what are the important things we can find in this palm. Firstly, yes, I would like to tell you what is the it is the left hand. We shall come to know about right hand first. Yes, of course, this is the right hand. Why we see the right hand means right hand represents one's active, means to say after getting birth, the things which he learnt reflects in a right hand, because dominant hand is right hand only. So due to that, we use right hand for studying of one's future. Let us come to know. Come on. Here you see the particularly the hand and fingers coordination. You see, hand and finger coordination is of course both hand and fingers coordination. They are equal. The palm as well as fingers are equal, so he is very balanced personality in nature. And the next one, we can see here these fingers are coming almost 75% of third palage of Saturn mount. That indicate that this person is well developed Jupiter as well as the Sun and Jupiter are very great for this person. And also the long Mercury finger, it is wonderful. He is very good communicator. He will explain and he will tell the things whatever will come to him. That means he is very intelligent and also very expressive and know many languages as well. He is very much fascinated about mathematics as well, because the Mercury indicate that mathematics as well. And here you see the thumb is also very high, so this person is very confident and will do well in almost all occupations. This is the first time that I observed this much of positive fingers. Okay, and you see the palages are equal, almost equal. You see the first palage is yes, compared to the first palage, second palage is little bit longer. Yes, that means to say he won't give much importance to physical appearance, rather than he is giving much importance to analytical abilities. And the third palage is also very broader, lengthier, so that indicate that this person is very spiritual in nature. So he will what you call surrendered himself in a spirituality as well. So next, we shall come to know about the mounts. See what are the important things we can come across in the that mounts. What are, let us see now. So mounts, I'll read this one. Yes, of course. See, the separate pictures is sent for each and every mount, so I appreciate his patience. And also really it is very good. You see here, I told you many times, a very minute lines which are forming like this, and forming a triangle in the middle. So this one is considered as the very auspicious. The person who is having this kind of marking is known as the Jupiter ruled person. This means to say his conduct, his everything is ruled by Jupiter. He is very honest and very teacherly qualities, and is always surrendered himself in front of God. So this is the only symbol which we can tell that this person makes very great teacher as well. So he is very spiritual as well, and he surrendered himself in front of God as well. So this is about a Jupiter. You see, there is no any vertical lines on a Jupiter. So what, of course, so Jupiter mount itself is good and well bulged, and it is in good shape. That only indicate that this person having good Jupiter. So next, let us see other mount. You see here, this marking we can see now. You see here, this marking is the wound marking. That's not a mole, so you need not get confused. So next one, let us see about Saturn mount. Here you see, there we can see, yes, here we can see Saturn mount very well. You see here, this Saturn mount is a little bit okay. It should not be too depth and too bulged. It should be in a very normal manner, but when we see this mount in a very deep manner, means it is little bit depth in nature. So this indicate that this person having lot of struggle in the life. Everything he would likes to get will be delayed, and he will be in the frustration as well. So this kind of a person usually will lose the confidence in the people also sometimes. So it is very important that this kind of person should have patience in his life, and should make his hard effort, and of course his young age will be lot of struggle, but after year by year his life goals going to be improved in a gradual manner, but improvement is certain, and there is no negative marking we found on this mount. So certainly he will improve in his life by the time. So next we shall come to know the other mount called Sun mount. Yes, this is a Sun mount. So by this mount what we say means by this mount we can say what is the profession that this person going to have, and what is his soul is meant to be, and how much fascinated he is. But here no lines is visible. So if there is no line, means there is nothing we can say. No, that's not real. We can say many things about this Sun mount also. Sun represent our father, and sun represent our ambition. Sun represent our power, authority, and all those things. So of course this Sun mount is flat in nature, so this person going to have all those things in his life. But you see, if there is a single vertical line or something else is there, means it could be so much better, but it is not there, so nothing to worry about. Of course his life will be good, but when come to getting fame and popularity, it is very little bit difficult, but still he can get things whatever he wished for. So next one we shall come to know about the, of course, here you see this Mercury mount. Mercury represent our intelligence, brilliancy, and our communication and our language ability and our sense of humor and our coordination with other people and our ability to have mathematical operations and scientific attitude. So all these things maybe will be good because this mount is also well set and there is no negative marking on it. So next one we shall see about, yes, I'll take another another image to see the yes, moon mount. Why? Because you see this particularly mount by mount I asked him to send a image mount by mount so that I can read each and every mount in a very clear manner. So he sent. So I am studying in every mount in a separate picture. So here you see there is a very huge fish symbol is there. You see, fish is a symbol of Narayana or Hari. So this even in the scriptures the Narayana, Hari or Krishna taken the fish form to destroy the demons. So this person particularly, there is a lot of positivity is there in his mind, and he will be certainly he will get a lot of fortune from the other country than he is there in it. So that is why he may travel frequently and he may get lot of peacefulness and very calmness by traveling to the other countries. You see here is also one small fish symbol we can notice. This is another. So this area represent our what do you call it, our habits. So this the small fish symbol tells that he is having very good habits and he will prove to be beneficial for the society, and also he is very good person as well. So next one we shall come to know about Venus mount. As usual I told you, for each and every mount I'll take another picture which is very good visible in a very nice. Of course this picture cover all the Venus mount. Here you see the Venus mount is well set, and this line you see this is lifeline. So lifeline is well set, and from here to this area is considered as a Venus mount. So Venus what Venus represents our luxury, our family life, and love and passion. And you see here very important thing which we can observe is, here you see there is a star marking is there. By seeing very keenly, we can find a star mark on the Venus mount. This indicates that he is having profound interest in any music or any one of art, such kind of things. So he is very honestly, he is very much fond of music, and also he loves wholeheartedly. And of course this Venus mount is little bit shallow in nature. That means to say it is depth in nature. So this Venus mount is not developed as compared to the other mounts. That's why he is having trouble in a married life also. You see, married life, you see here there are the vertical lines are there. This indicate that the relatives will come to the assistance, but very few lines are there. So the people who are coming to his assistance is very less. But still there is no such a very different marking, very difficult markings or very bad markings are not there. So he can expect good things in future as well. Here you see, yes, this is a very radical thing which is a matter of concern. Why? Because you see, this is considered as a Mars mount, and Mars is represent our courage, our blood, our land, and that kind of things. And here you see there are the many lines on the Mars line which tells that he is not having the courage and all those things. He may having a lot of fear also. So this make the person to a very radical less attractive. That's why he must even we can call him as a manglik as well. Manglik in the sense he may fail, so three or two or three marriages will be failed. That difficulty in marriage, everything we can foresee. But you see, this is the only negative marking here that I found in this area. For the improvement of this area, one has to do many things are there. That is for the chanting, in the sense we have to chant Lord Subramanya Ashtaka, and many more shlokas are there in the Vedas. We can follow it. So that is a very good remedy, and one has to do the dhyana or we call meditation that could help him a lot. And let us come to know about yes, here you see the important lines. What I am telling you here is, you see, basic lines. This is the which line? You know already. This is heart line. Heart line tells about one person who is passionate about. See this line, this heart line comes and ends under the Saturn mount. So that indicate that this person is a little bit self-oriented, but still he would like to earn more money, so that he would like to prove himself that he can also earn more money and he can lead a very luxurious life. So that intention is there in his life, and he will do it definitely. So next one, we can see there are the fate line coming out like this, and here another fate line is coming from the moon mount and directly going towards the Saturn mount. So but this line, the Saturn line is stopped there under the heart line. So this indicates that because of his feelings, because of his emotions, he may lose the interest in earning. So he has to control his emotions so that his earnings will be improved. So because of his emotions, his earning may be stopped. So he should not be give much importance to his emotion, rather than it. He has to think properly and think really. So what is real, that he has to give much importance. And then here you see the headline is straightforward, and it is very clear and very less thick. It is very good that the thick lines indicate struggles. The light line, two light line is also indicate problems, but the medium stress having line having good impact. This headline is having very good impact. Why? Because this line is very clear, not having any breaks and any overlappings as well. See here, that's why he can take a good decisions, and he is very clear in his mind also. See here, there is a vertical lines which is going towards the yes, Mercury mount. So he is having great interest in doing earning money by the business. If you do, he will certainly prove that he can do even business as well. So this line is a tells that this person is very good for the business as well. See, this heart line is coming and having a fork on the end. This indicate that this person is very critical knowledge also having, this person having critical knowledge as well. So this proves to be very beneficial to him. So that's I told each and everything about this palm. I think I left nothing. So I'll check once again. See here, of course, here you see the Ketu Mount. So what we call this area is called as a Ketu Mount, and here you see there is a formation of triangle, under it a small triangle. So this indicate that this person having great interest in astrology as well, so he is going to be prove great in the future. So next here you see the lifeline is coming like this, and here one line is going out like this, and here also one line which is coming out and going to the Mercury mount. This indicate that this person going to be do any trade or something else like that, and he will going to foreign travel also. This indicate foreign travel. So next here you see there is a little bit island formation we can observe, so or else we can call it as a fish sign. So this indicate that this person going to be get a lot of benefits around 45 to 50 to 60 almost. So that will be the greatest period for him. So next first line indicate health of a person. This person health is very fine, and second line indicate wealth, and this is very not clearly marked, so his wealth is little bit less. When come to third one happiness, it is clearly marked, so you will get lot of happiness as well. So that's all about this poem, and I hope you like it. If you like my reading and my prediction, please subscribe and share and comment on my videos. Thank you very much, friends. Have a